Japan's vending machines are next level. Let's dive into the most unbelievable ones. You'll find vending machines everywhere in Japan. Streets, parks, even remote mountains. Some machines serve hot dishes like oden and ramen. Yes, real meals, not just snacks. Others offer toys, mystery items, or even t-shirts. It's like a mini adventure every time. Fancy sushi, frozen gyoza. These machines keep it fresh and high quality. Umbrellas, good luck charms, even bugs. Japanese vending machines are full of surprises.